Good day, guys. My name is Tollie Bosman, the owner of Magic Auto. I basically started about plus minus 25 years self-qualified. Worked for Ford and Mazda franchise here in Port Elizabeth. After I started my own workshop, Magic Auto. And being sole owner of a business, I've realized I can't do all the work myself and start employing some young guys out there to train. But I realized very soon that it is difficult to train people, been doing the work, and it's very costly to train young apprentices or artisans out there. My son turned 18 and he approached me, said, "Dad, I would like to start doing what you do, work with my hands." And I approached the TVET colleges, of TVET College here in Port Elizabeth, where we enrolled him eventually. We started off with one guy, which was my son, and eventually we got 2 other apprentices, so a total of 3. We even got a lady working for us as an apprentice, doing quite well. Without the TVET college, I don't think we would financially be viable to have so many youngsters to train, because there is a shortage in the industry of artisans with knowledge out there. I do give the kids the practical side, hand skills, example working with a hacksaw file, even welding. The hand skills is not there, that's why the TVET college can provide the hand skills which we as workshop owners can't give to our guys every day. So I would like to say to all the other franchise dealers, small workshops, guys, we need to look at the shortage of artisans out there. Otherwise the industry is going to dry up. We're going to sit with a handful of guys who can actually do the work, and the other handful of guys who's got maybe a few years experience, but they haven't got the knowledge which they can get from the TVET colleges out there. So guys, contact the TVET colleges and see what they can do for you in the industry, so we can broaden the base of the apprentices first and becoming a good artisan eventually for all of us.